Hello guys, in this video we will know about what is Six Sigma. One of the very important tool for beating the competitor is quality. Your product that you are designing and selling it to the customers, if the quality of that product is high compared to your competitor, obviously all the customers will move to you and buy your product, not your competitor's product. Today customer is not following the brand loyalty. For example, if you bought a phone from Nokia company, that doesn't mean you will bought all phones from Nokia phone in coming future. Now customers are not like that. Today's customer don't think about brand, they just need a quality product. Customers will not take time to change his brand when he get the right quality. For example, some are using Samsung phone and some are using Sony and whatever. Means here customers are not following unique brands, they follow their choice. People are buying different brands. Functionalities may be different but they adapt it with time. Quality is not the new thing, it is from the decades. Business organizations which focuses on quality will get the growth exponentially. But it started from World War II when Hiroshima and Nagasaki were bombarded. Japan's economy were totally collapsed. After America dropped a bomb to Japan, America started reviving collapsed Japan's economy. America sent a person to Japan and his name was General Douglas MacArthur. He was told to revive the Japan's crippled economy. Now see how America is. First they destroyed the Japan's economy and after that they started reviving it by sending a person to develop the economy back again. Now this person uses all quality concepts in Japan. Japan is a very small country, but today you can see Japan is at #1 country in technology perspective. Toyota is from Japan and is competing American companies like General Motors, Ford, etc. Honda also from Japan. What actually happened? There were some professors from America who were sent to the Japan and who were always favoring on quality concepts for manufacturing companies. These professors' motto was to focus on quality, and all these quality programs were implemented in Japan at that time. Now what is a Six Sigma? In a layman terminology, Six Sigma means zero defect, means companies having strong manufacturing system which have a zero defect in manufacturing process. For example, today customer is intolerant towards any little bit of defect. You know why? Customer is becoming intolerant because customers have right now lot of choices. For example, if you are going to ATM machine and you face any difficulty while withdrawing your money, you became dissatisfied and you can move to the other banks. When you are in a industry having number of competitors, you cannot afford to dissatisfy the customer. Each customer facing such problems will move to the competitor's company. That means we don't have monopoly system here. Electricity have here monopoly system. We don't have other choice. We have to stick on one company. Most of the products in market have competition here. Then why should customers be tolerant? He can shift to other companies as well. Therefore our goal is not to lose even one customer. Means companies can't afford to make even a one defective product. Each and every product should be perfect. Now what is a Six Sigma? Six Sigma tells us that zero defect is not equal to zero, because 100% efficiency is not possible. If you are manufacturing 1 million product, there might be a chance of some defective pieces. For example, if you purchase a best brand product, but when you started using this product and within 3 months you find it's not working and you rush to the service center because repairing is not done at the outlet where you have purchased it. For example, when you purchased an Apple phone by spending lots of money, for example 1 lakh rupees, why you have spending so much money for this brand? Because you want to have an uninterrupted service from this phone because you know it's the best product. But what if you find it defective after purchasing this? When you go to outlet, they will refer you wire service center. But that's okay, you can go to the service center and they will get you free service. But you have not purchased this phone for repairing it to service center because it is not the customer's fault. They will repair it for free, but you don't have a free time to repair the new phone in service center. Customers here becomes dissatisfied. Why was this happened? This level of concept we are talking about is perfection, is about Six Sigma level. Now they set a benchmark here representing through this diagram. This is X scale and this is Z scale, and in between it's mean. X is equal to mu means is mean, and Z is equal to 0, and Z is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. This is represented by sigma. You might have seen in 11th or 12th class this diagram. You know about sigma? It's a Greek alphabet. For example, in English we can use small s and capital S. Same in the case here is for sigma. In Greek, small sigma is like this, and small sigma is standard deviation and big sigma is sum, or you can say total. This is how sigma origin came into existence. If x is equal to 0 here, x is equal to 0, mu is equal to 0, mean is equal to 0, then 0 minus 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Here you can see z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma, small sigma, and you can see z is equal to 0. Z is in the center. Here you can see z is a mean. If we go left side of the z, it goes to -1, and accordingly -2, -3 up to -6, or you can go to this right side, +1, +2, +3 up to +6 sigma. When it reaches to 6 sigma, it will never meet because it's going parallel lines. If we reach to the 7 sigma, 8 sigma, and it reaches to the infinity. But they stopped at 6 sigma, where we can get the result 99.9996%, almost virtually 100% efficiency. This is how they represented the 6 sigma by using this diagram. Here you at 6 sigma means defect is almost negligible. Here you can see when you reach to 6 sigma, it will come out to this result. Means when we cover this area, the blue area, it will give us a final result that is 99.9996%. It's almost 100% of efficiency. We can go to beyond 6 sigma. For example, at sigma 1 it is 31%, and sigma 2 it's 69%, sigma 3 93.3%, and sigma 4 it's 99.38%. and this area sigma 4 it's industry average. Usually in the industry, if you want to stick in the industry, if you want to compete, you should have at least 99.38% of efficiency, that is sigma 4. And you can go to the sigma 5, that is 99.977%, and 6 sigma, which is ideal for 100% efficiency, virtually it is 100%. It's called the perfection output. And rest of it, for example, if you are making a 10 lakh piece of any product and you get the defective percentage of this 3.74, if you multiply 10 lakh into 0.00034%, you will get 3.4. that is defects per million. That means if you make 10 lakhs of product, you will get only 3.4 defective pieces. That is almost negligible. There are a number of sigma, but they stop at 6 sigma. 6 sigma means okay, it's done, you don't have to look further, because at some point we have to stop, because as we increase beyond 6 sigma means you are increasing quality, means you have to pay more for designing a product, which creates a havoc. We can reach beyond 6 sigma, but the cost we have to pay becomes havoc, which will not justify the benefit of our company. So we draw a line here and stop at 6 sigma. Now what is the output level at Six Sigma is, as I already told you that it's 99.99966%. that is this is in the green. If I am saying that 99.9996% is perfection, then how much is the imperfection? And that is this, which is 0.00034%, which is imperfection or defect rate. And if you multiply 10 lakhs into 0.0034%, you will get 3.4. that is defects per million is 3.4, and that is good to make 1 million products, and you will get 3 or 4 defective pieces only. Virtually we are at 0 defects. We have achieved Six Sigma level of perfection. This is how Six Sigma works. It's a mathematical output or result that Six Sigma have represented in diagram, or what I think it's the best way to show the efficiency of any company in a proper way. I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.